Hi all, today I'm visiting our Kia Ride on-demand operations in the Northern Beaches in Sydney. And I wanted to use this opportunity to thank you all for everything you're doing to keep our transport services operating during COVID-19. This crisis is impacting us all in lots of different ways, and we have needed to adjust, whether we're working in depots, driving buses, operating light rail vehicles, ferries, or we're out on the network or we're working from home. Every day, thousands of you are on the ground delivering transport services that are safe and reliable. And I'm extremely proud to see how you have demonstrated care, innovation, and commitment to each other and to the communities that we serve. A number of great things have been achieved during this very difficult time. Here in the Northern Beaches, and also in our on-demand service at Mount Barker in Adelaide, we have adapted to help out the elderly, to get to the shops and to do other essential travel. In Perth, teams of volunteers from our Path Transit business helped transfer around 1,500 cruise ship passengers off ships that had been refused entry into other ports. Many of these passengers were elderly and scared and were so close to COVID-19, their emotions just overflowed as they were greeted by our volunteers. We've also taken the opportunity to complete major road upgrades on our networks, particularly in Melbourne, and to carry out repairs in other places, such as along the light rail alignment in Newcastle. I've heard some great comments from customers, people that rely on us to get them to work. They have thanked you for your dedication, and it's really heartwarming to receive such gratitude in these difficult times. We are fortunate to have had only 2 members of staff infected by the coronavirus, and I'm pleased to say they have both recovered or are well on the way to recovery. The number of employees that we have self-isolating is continually decreasing, and this is down to your care and attention to health and safety processes that have had to be introduced. What we have collectively achieved so far is remarkable, and even though we are carrying fewer passengers at the moment, public transport is and will remain essential, and our role as an operator has never been more important. While our efforts need to continue and social distancing rules will remain in the coming months, we're starting to think about the road out. In the short term, we are actively engaging with public transport authorities to find an agreement to limit the financial impact of low patronage on our company, and we have already reached positive outcomes in a number of states. As restrictions gradually start to loosen, we will need to think about attracting passengers back onto public transport and which measures require continued focus in our maintenance and operations activities to ensure that we stay safe. We are heading towards a future that will probably look very different to what we have been used to, but I'm confident that together we will see this through. Thank you again for everything you're doing. You're all making a huge difference. Continue to look after yourselves, and most of all, stay safe.